Hello, what's up guys? If you don't know me, my name is IpBoyles. I'm a forex trader and also a binary trader. So if you don't know, today I'm in the school environment and which I'm going to teach you guys how you are going to balance school and trading. So I know that there's a lot of my subscribers who are in high school, or you can call it university. So in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to balance trading and while you are trading and also going to school. So stick to this video and make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel.
What's up, it's your boy Ralph. Yeah, chilling with IpBoyles.
So I'm with my friend Zubi, and Zubi have already made an introduction. So let's get straight away to the video.
In this video, I also want to share with you guys the platform which I use to make some passive income for myself as a student. So Restyfx is an investment platform which offers you 100% of your return, and you also get 5% of each deposit in any referral that you do, and you can withdraw your money weekly at any point in time, and they have a fast withdrawal. So if you are a student and you are looking for a platform which you can make money apart from trading, while you are trading you can also invest and make withdrawal from this platform. So make sure you sign up with Restyfx. The link is down on my description. Once you follow my link, you will be also getting 5% bonus of once you register in the platform.
Yo, let's go on this setup. Let's go guys. Today is Monday and I don't have anything doing in the school today, although we have some lectures in the morning. Then I just spotted this setup with coming with multiple confirmations, so I had no choice to just take it since I'm free, I'm not busy with my lectures, and right away the trades already hitting my TP and already hitting my TP3. So this is a very good day to me, although I don't trade on Monday, but I find this a very nice setup to trade, and I'm right away I'll be closing up very soon on this trade because I see that today is a very nice day for me to take profits. Yo guys, so these are the 3 steps on how you can balance your trading, your schooling at the same time. So I know that you're looking for a way to balance yourself out. You're a very busy type, you want to learn how to trade, or you're a trader already, you have learned how to trade and you're looking for a way to balance up your trading at the same time. So these are the 3 ways which you can balance up your trading and your schooling, or whatever you are doing as a trader. Firstly, if you want to balance your trading and schooling at the same time, you must have a schedule for yourself. And this schedule, if I'm to explain a schedule is a means whereby you time whatever you are doing. So you being on a schedule is that you can use your phone for a schedule, you can use a paper, write down days and times you really want to be doing at that moment in time. So part 2 is having a backup plan. Having a backup plan requires you having a capital for your trading. You cannot use your school capital for your trading because it's a very dangerous thing to do. Then you having a backup plan is that in the process that you must have something that generates money to you. So you having something that generates money. Let's say that you are You have a brokerage firm which run affiliate market, go for a affiliate marketing. If you have a pro firm which run an affiliate market, you can just refer people to them, refer your participant in WhatsApp group, refer your subscribers, refer whatever group you are, so that you can start earning money with that, and then from that money you can fund up your trading capital. Thirdly is having that knowledge and passion of what you are doing. If you are trading, you must first have knowledge, and you must also be passionate of what you are doing. You schooling, you also have passion for school. I know that everybody have passion to trade, and you must also have passion of schooling, because you cannot be in the process of leaving school to trade, or leaving trading to school, because if you cannot trade and make money, you don't have that money to fund your school. So you must have passion to both and balance it in a way that will not affect you in financial term or in academic term. So school is very good. I will not say school is not. I know that some people will say school is scam. Yes, some will say school is scam, but me, if you have the knowledge and have the capacity or the capital to go to school and get that knowledge. But I'll advise you to have that passion of both. Have the passion for school and also have passion for trading, and also balance them in a way that will not affect your academic success and also will not affect your financial status success. Just stay tuned to this channel and make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's your boy signing out. See you guys.